Welcome to Entrepreneurial Edge. Today we venture into a realm rarely glimpsed by outsiders, a world of tradition, duty, and yes, astonishing wealth. We're lifting the veil on the finances of the British royal family. From vast estates to private collections, their assets are as intriguing as their history. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights. Our journey begins with the Sovereign Grant, the annual payment from the UK government to the monarch. This grant, however, is not a handout, but rather a unique arrangement tied to the Crown Estate. You see, centuries ago, the Crown Estate, encompassing a vast portfolio of lands, properties, and holdings, was surrendered to the nation. In return, a percentage of the estate's profits is given back to the monarch to fund official duties and maintain royal residences. This symbiotic relationship ensures the monarchy's financial stability while also benefiting the public purse. Interestingly, the percentage allocated to the sovereign grant was recently increased to facilitate renovations of Buckingham Palace, a testament to the evolving nature of this ancient agreement. Once the renovations are complete, the grant will revert to its original percentage, a fascinating example of financial flexibility within a centuries-old system. Let's delve into the Crown Estate, a fascinating entity. Imagine a portfolio so diverse it includes regal palaces and bustling city streets, rolling countryside, and even the seabed. The Crown Estate, held in a unique legal framework, is neither owned by the monarchy nor the public. Picture vast tracts of farmland, all contributing to the estate's revenue. Envision bustling shopping centers, contrasting the estate's ancient origins. The Crown Estate generates billions annually, a testament to its enduring value. This revenue stream underscores the crucial role the Crown Estate plays in the UK's financial landscape. Our exploration now takes us to the Duchy of Lancaster, a private estate held in trust for the reigning monarch. Unlike the Crown Estate, the Duchy of Lancaster provides personal income to the king or queen. It's a glimpse into the private finances of the monarch, separate from the public funds allocated through the sovereign grant. Imagine a portfolio passed down through generations, a legacy of land ownership dating back centuries. That's the essence of the Duchy of Lancaster, its history interwoven with the history of the monarchy itself. The revenue generated by the duchy, flowing from its diverse holdings, forms a crucial part of the monarch's private income. From this revenue stream, a portion, known as the privy purse, is allocated to cover the monarch's personal and official expenses. It's a fascinating insight into the financial mechanics of monarchy, revealing a blend of public funds and private income that underpins the institution. Our journey now takes us to the Duchy of Cornwall, an estate established specifically for the heir apparent to the throne. This duchy, a separate entity from the Duchy of Lancaster, ensures the financial independence of the next in line, providing them with the means to support their family and official duties. Imagine inheriting not just a title but also a vast estate, a legacy designed to secure your financial future. That's the reality for the Duke of Cornwall, a position currently held by Prince William. The Duchy of Cornwall, with its sprawling holdings and diverse investments, generates a substantial annual income, providing for the Duke and his family. This income stream allows the heir apparent to fulfill their royal duties, support charitable causes, and maintain their own household, all while preparing for the immense responsibilities that come with inheriting the crown. Our final stop takes us into the world of personal wealth and investments. Even within royal finances, there's room for personal passions and private endeavors. Queen Elizabeth had a keen interest in philately, amassing a rare stamp collection. It's a reminder that even monarchs have hobbies outside their duties. The Queen's private wealth included properties with unique histories. And let's not forget the allure of racehorses, a passion shared by many royals. The Queen's involvement in horse racing also represented a source of income. These ventures add a personal dimension to the royal financial landscape. And so, our exploration of the British royal family's wealth comes to an end. We've journeyed through centuries-old estates, explored the intricacies of royal finances, and glimpsed the personal wealth accumulated over generations. The wealth of the British monarchy, a complex tapestry woven from history, tradition, and astute financial management, continues to fascinate and intrigue. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. See you in the next video.